Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to Cash Envelope Chronicles. I'm back with another video like I never left. My name is Courtney. Thank you for clicking on the video. For those of you who don't know, my mission is to turn my financial story around and conquer $20,000 of debt, one envelope at a time. Each week, I'll take you through my journey of budgeting, saving, and the highs and lows of getting debt free. So whether you're here for tips, inspiration, or just to see how it's done, you're in the right place. So let's dive into this week's financial adventure. Hey guys, I know I've been late on the videos this new year, but I've had some things come up. I was dealing with the flu for a week, and then this weekend just had a lot of ups and downs as far as spending money and how my time was utilized. No excuses for it. I need to do better when it comes to making this content. But, you know, that's how life goes. And I told you guys I'm going to share the highs and lows in this debt-free journey. But let's just say, in order to make progress, you have to just continue to do the work. You got to continue to fight through this. So this is just part of the journey. And I know during times like this, a lot of people can get discouraged and really fall off track and not really recover. So I think this is a good video. The fact that I'm making this video to keep me consistent, to hold me accountable, and to hopefully give you guys that inspiration to continue on through your journey, even if you do kind of fall off the rails. One thing I can say, although I did have some financial inconveniences, some things that I didn't account for, I have been able to stay on track as far as my savings going toward the $20,000 of debt. I know it says 400 here, but I've actually been saving 500 each week, or as I get paid. So I'm a little bit ahead of schedule. So over the last 2 weeks, I've actually saved an additional $1,000. So let's go ahead and knock two of these bubbles out. So I have 1,500 in the bank. So let's go ahead and mark another. So this account for the 1,500 here. So let's fill this out. So I'm almost at four circles that's completely filled. So I am on track for my my savings challenge. So that's a positive here. So let's go ahead and get into this cash stuffing. So with the cash stuffing, it's going to be a little different. The last video I made, I was stuffing the envelopes and I was talking about how I would, you know, do these financial updates, these cash stuffings every 2 weeks or whatnot. But like I said earlier, I had some inconveniences that popped up. Yeah, some inconveniences, some money was spent that I wasn't expecting to spend. So what I did was I went into all my envelopes. I looked into that extra wad of cash I had as a buffer. I just kind of compiled it all, and I'm just going to redistribute the money I currently have, and also throw in that buffer money to fill in my cash envelopes. And this should get me through the next, I guess, 2 weeks, let's say 10 days or so. That's when I get paid again. So I think this will work. As far as the food budget, I'm actually going to be fasting this week. So I don't anticipate spending too much money this week. And as far as gas goes, I'm going to keep my butt inside. You know, it's cold outside. I have everything I need at the house. So I'm just going to utilize this time to just chill out and not burn so much gas. So I think I'll be able to make the amount of money I have currently actually stretch. But we'll see. I'll give you guys an update this upcoming Sunday as far as how I've been doing this. So let's go ahead and count some cash. All right. So food, like I said, I'm actually fasting. So instead of doing 125, we're going to go ahead and deposit $100 into the food budget. So let's go ahead. We'll do a 50, a 20, what is that? 80, 90, 100. Put $100 into food for the next 10 days. All right, next video. Hold on, excuse me. Alexa, off. Alexa, off. Sorry about that, guys. Alexa, hold on. Alexa, off! All right, sorry about that. I had to silence my Alexa alarm. I'm actually recording this video Monday morning. I had some trouble sleeping, you know. The Dallas Cowboys lost last night. The weather's been kind of crazy. It's hot, so I was real uncomfortable. Couldn't sleep. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and just knock out a video. I've been wanting to do a video for a while now, so that's what we're doing here. So, okay, gas. Gas, we're going to stay on track. We're going to deposit $100 for gas. So let's do another 50. Let's go 60, 70, 80, and go ahead and do 100 right here. So yeah. All right, so we got 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 goes into the gas envelope. Like I said, I don't anticipate spending a lot out of the gas envelope, but you just never know. Car maintenance. We're gonna deposit 100 into the car maintenance envelope. Let's go ahead and get rid of some of these fives. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Go 70. Yeah, 70. Get rid of some of these ones. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So we're going to put $100 into our our car maintenance envelope here. I know this video is all over the place, but it is what it is. Golly. All right. Note to self. Not so many ones. Ones are completely unnecessary. Or get bigger envelopes, right? All right, anyway, so that's $100 going into the car maintenance envelope. All right, we're still gonna have fun here. We're still gonna have fun. I think fun is important, it's good for the morale. And even though you have some inconveniences, you know, there's no reason to entirely shut down your lifestyle. So we're still gonna distribute $75 into the fun envelope. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60, 70, let's go ahead and do another, so 75. That goes into the fun envelope. Like I said, I might not have fun these next 2 weeks. I probably won't, because I'm really just trying to stay low. Like I said, it's cold outside, the weather's crazy, and there's really no need to really be out there anyway. So next, haircut. Haircuts are important. We're gonna go ahead and put 35. So we got 20, 25, 30, 35 into the haircut envelope. All right, we have the pet. So we're gonna put $50 into the pet envelope. I need to buy some dog food this week. So let's go ahead and get that going. We got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 40, 45, 50. Let's double check that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So we're gonna put $50 into the pet envelope. All right, coming down. So we have miscellaneous. We're gonna put 30 into the miscellaneous. I need to buy some laundry detergent as well as some mouthwash and some other essentials. So let's go ahead and throw $30 into the miscellaneous. The next envelope, we have our buffer, we have our home. So let's go ahead and go with the home. So with home, I had some money already set aside for home. The expense exceeded the amount I had saved. So we're not putting any money in home this stuffing. And that's what budgeting is for. But like I said, these inconveniences kind of come up out the blue, but it's always good to have some of the money. So the blow wasn't as bad as it could have been, because I did have some money set aside for that. So let's go ahead and stuff the remaining amount into my buffer. Let's see what we got here. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That's 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Don't tell me. Yeah, never mind. 67. So we got $67 in our buffer. And like I said, hopefully I don't need this buffer money, but it's definitely good to have, especially these first 3 or 4 months when it's a new year and things are happening. So yeah, this is this week's cash stuffing. This is really bothering me. You know what? Take some of this out. Let me see. What happens when I do this? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's take $20 here. Let's see if we can take $20 out of the pet envelope. 5, 10, 15, 20. Put that here. Put that $20 worth of ones here. And let's go ahead and stuff this envelope. Yeah, I'm definitely going to get rid of these ones for the upcoming videos. But I mean, this is as real as it gets this is as real as it gets. So I'm glad I can make this kind of video. I know it's not polished, but like I said, I'm here to inspire, and I want to show you guys that you can still make content and you don't have to be perfect. The trick is to be consistent. But this is this week's cash stuffing, and this is this week's savings challenge. Like I said, I have $1,500 currently in my savings challenge. I plan to make an additional deposit to go ahead and close out that circle this week, and we'll be on our way. So thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for clicking the video. Once again, this is Cash Envelope Chronicles. My name is Courtney, and this is my journey to getting out of $20,000 of debt, one envelope at a time, by doing cash stuffing envelopes and reporting my updates on YouTube to hold myself accountable. With that, that's the end of the video. Thank you for joining. Make sure you hit the button to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you guys will be updated. And again, thank you. Peace.